What's up, guys? Johnny here. Welcome back. Today we're racing in Detroit yet again. We're doing the regional finals light number 2. So we're basically the same track we did last time. We're doing the regional final light track, but with one big difference. We swapped out one of the normal gates for the split S turnaround gate. So just one more obstacle to make sure we practice before the big race next week in Chicago regional finals. So the theme for today that I want to talk about is simulating the racing pressure. So I notice when I go to real events, big events, you get the nerves, you get the shakes, the adrenaline starts flowing, you get all excited. So recently I've tried doing something to try to practice for that. And so basically the idea is to find Terry beast mode and see if he'll bet me on every round. So that's what we did before. We put up just $1. $1 to whoever wins each round, they get $1. And just that little bit of money, that little bit of incentive just caused that heart to get going a little bit faster, caused the adrenaline to speed up. And so far it's been the best practice I've had for simulating a real race environment. So once Terry gets here, we're gonna see if he's down for that today, but we'll see how we do, and hopefully that works out well. What's up there, Terry?
What up? You all right?
All right, I got a question for you, Terry.
What's up?
You down for doing the $1 race again?
That I am.
All right.
I'm down.
All right, man. That's my theory. That's my video for today. Is trying to simulate a real race. So betting $1 each round, and then I'll try to keep accurate count of how many times you beat me today for you.
Yeah, seriously. All right, yeah, that sounds fun. Anybody else getting in on it? No? Maybe?
I think maybe they should have their own. Unless you think there's
Marshall
someone.
and Jeff.
I think they should do it.
Race. That's a great idea.
I'll try to go sell Marshall on it now.
Yeah, you should. I'm sure Jeff is down. Jeff is a gambling man.
Marshall.
What up?
So, you know, you were doing the race the other day when I was doing the thing with Terry, the $1 per race, right?
The one what?
The $1 per race that we did at practice?
Yeah.
You should do that with Jeff.
Yeah, for sure.
Tell Jeff. So that's what I'm doing all day with Terry today. So that's my theory for this video.
Nice.
I was like, you know what? He's like, dude, Marshall and Jeff should do it. I'm like, yeah, they should.
Yeah, I'm coming for your dollars.
Yeah. I think Marshall's ready to challenge you, Jeff.
Oh yeah?
The $1 per race.
Oh, he got his ass handed to him yesterday, so.
Oh, shit. I know he's down.
I'm down. I will not be letting Marshall jump into Jeff PV territory.
Yes.
Not that it's anywhere you want to be, but.
We missed the final call. The writing's on the wall. It's very long. The ruins of our love. Days gone through, hearts feel aching. I can't control it. I can't control just the one
After 1
that
minute 30
found
seconds,
me.
top pilots are Johnny Fly in first place with a 4-lap 207.3.
The late night when the lights out, can't escape now.
Johnny Fly 30.7. Johnny Fly
It's
105
me
lap
every time
234 result.
in the moonlight, and I can't get out. Baby, I know, I can't let go, The nights are cold, and it's on show. I can't let go, can't let you go.
Beast mode 31.8.
Biting out there.
Yeah.
Taking that weak ass victory, Terry.
You fucked up, dude. I'm sorry.
Dude, how was my prop even loose? I didn't even crash.
I mean, that's a pretty typical Johnny thing. Didn't you do that at IO?
No, man, I put it on backwards.
Yeah.
No, you had one on loose too. It flew off halfway through your round in the spectrum.
Yeah, that's true. I did that too. All right, guys, the experiment's kind of going
After
interesting.
1
We
minute,
got some
30
racing
seconds,
going on behind
the
me,
top
but
pilots
basically what's
are
happened so
lined
far
out in
is
first
I think I'm
place with a 3-lap
up 4-1 against
222.1
Terry.
pace, followed
What
by
happened to me
Fort Soda in
is
second place
I don't know
with a
how I didn't
2-lap
crash the time before, but I actually went up there and had a loose prop, so I
followed by
tried to go
Cyber
off.
Gorilla in third place
Prop
with
wouldn't
a
spin. I
2-lap
crashed out. That was my
211.5
one
pace.
loss. I tried to
Line
pull a
num
sneaky one and say, come on,
45.1.
Terry, you can't win like that,
Motor
but
burner
he's claiming the victory he can
140,
get. So anyway,
10,
we're in 5 rounds of qualifying. I'm up 4-1.
Seven, 46,
What I say is the first
5,
round for that $1,
4,
it actually really works. It
3,
gets the adrenaline going.
2,
But once you already got $1 in the bag, it just,
Fort Soda 57
the
flat.
stress is like totally gone for me from there. But hopefully Terry can start going faster, and when he starts competing more and more, then that'll start getting to me. But so far, I'm just aiming for that #1 spot qualifying. Really want that Ironman clause. That's what we do it out here in Detroit.
Mixer Destroyer 4. Johnny Flight 27.8. Beast Mode 26.7. J. Thomas 37.3. Mixer Destroyer 42.8. Beast Mode 27.3. Beast Mode done with a 4-lap 2.6 result. Johnny Flight 27.3. Johnny Flight done with it. Beast Mode done with a 5-lap 223.1 result.
He's not gonna.
I'm not gonna have anybody in my video now.
He's not gonna make any. You'll see me and Jay briefly.
Shit. Trash talking to JT now, Terry? Jesus.
I'm just fucking with him. Come on.
Let's see if you
JT
can.
has actually gotten fast so quick, dude.
Moving on up.
Yeah.
All right, guys, just finishing up qualifying here. Terry and I just had our last qualifying round. I think I beat him 6, he beat me 3. We'll double check that, which means I'm plus $3. The strategy wasn't working that well today just because I got out to an early lead. Once I was up a few bucks, it just didn't really get to me. That first round was a lot, but what really got to me is Terry really started picking up his game towards the end of the day, and he just got really, really fast around the track, and his fastest laps were about 0.2 seconds faster than mine, so that was causing more stress to me than anything else. That caused me to lose a little bit of my lines, and I just got to step up my game to compete with them. Anyway, he ended up finishing up as the top qualifier for the day. I'm in number 2, so anyway, with the Ironman clause, just got to make sure he doesn't win that first round. We'll see.
147.2 pace. Johnny Fly 27.1. Jeff TV 32 flat. Mayhem Marshall 32.9. Johnny Fly 29.4. Johnny Fly done with a 3-lap 125.7 result.
Yo, Marshall,
What up, though?
how did the betting $1 thing go for you?
Dude, I lost so much money today.
But how did it do for like the adrenaline? How did it do for getting your heart going?
Oh, you know what, man? It really pushes you and makes you want to do better. And
So you say it works.
it works, yeah. It just sucks when you're giving up dollars all day long. You know what I mean?
I think that's kind of the goal, though, right? If you're, it's,
It worked out really well for me.
Yeah.
He's gonna be eating good tonight.
How many dollars do I owe you?
yep.
All right, man. You owe me $2.
All right,
Good
no
job.
problem.
Good
$5 to
racing.
me. But what did you think about playing for the $1?
I mean, obviously it's not a lot of money, but it kind of makes it a little more nerve-wracking. So puts it more like a real race scenario. And it gets your nerves pumping a little bit because you don't want to lose. It's not necessarily about the money. You just don't want to lose, period.
Yeah, man. I feel like when we did it in practice, it helped me more than it did today. Like,
Yeah.
I noticed once you got like into your zone and you were faster than I was on the course, that got my adrenaline going more than anything else, more than the money did.
Yeah,
It
that
helped with
really-
the first round, like having $1. But then after that, I was like, well, Terry's not on his game, so whatever.
Yeah.
But then it's like, oh shit, Terry showed up.
Pushing it back.
Yeah, and then it's like, all right, that was really what did it.
No,
so.
I like it. It's something. It's a good strategy.
Yeah, man. I
You
think
gotta
it
try
works.
new things. Yeah, for sure.
All right, man. Well, good racing, man. I'm sorry the way it ended, but
No, that
good
happens.
racing.
It's good flying.
That first
You're not
round was
sorry.
good though. A half.
You're not
No,
sorry.
I was
He's not
sorry.
Hey, you know what?
No, no,
I'm
no,
gonna
no, no,
DVR
no, no,
review
no.
that.
Go ahead. So what I like is the first one, finishing 0.05 seconds apart. That's
Yeah.
awesome. That's how they should finish
I
every
think-
time. The second one, when you crashed, that's how I wish it didn't end.
I think the timing system was off. I'm gonna DVR review and do a screenshot of that. Hey, if I win, you better wait to post your pictures, buddy.
Well, good racing, Terry.
You too, man.